Hey friends, if SystemSettings.exe System error occurs on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next is to scan your computer for viruses and malware. So, how would you do that? So, I'll give you a tool better than the Windows security tool because the Windows security tool will work automatically anyway. So, even if you don't scan your computer with the Windows security tool, it will still scan your computer. So, if you wish to specifically remove malware, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds. This is a little slow tool, and then the malware removal tool will open. Simply click on next, full scan, next, and it will start scanning. The next one is to update Windows and all of its drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select optional updates, install them if possible, return to the Windows update page, click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.